Hello everyone, my name is Tom from Motton Technology. Today, let me introduce my another product, the kitchen table or kitchen cabinet. Usually the kitchen table is inside the room, but now we move out to the garden. So that means you have to change something, especially the material. Typically the inside kitchen table is made of wooden material, but the wood cannot be used in outdoor environment. So now we change to all the material to the stainless steel. The table is keeping raw material without coat. The cabinets have the powder coating to make it look better. So the outdoor cabinet has two factors we have to consider. One factor is waterproof, another is moisture resistance. Motton has 10 years experience in outdoor cabinet design, so we are very professional on the waterproof. So you don't have to worry about the material stored in the cabinet to get wetted. We have the modular design for the cabinet. So you can see this cabinet is made of 3 modules. One module is the barbecue zone. We equipped with the charcoal oven. You can change to the gas or electrical oven. And this area is for operating. You can prepare the food or cutting vegetable on this table. And beneath the table, we have one shelf to separate the room. So you can store more stuff in this area. You can see some seasoning material stored here. And this area is for washing something. So we have the sink and the table water. Also have the high pressure tube to flush your car or just washing the plant.